Hey there, Tiffany Thomas with wealthytiffany.com, and in today's video I'm going to talk about how much you need for a down payment on a rental property. And before we dive in, make sure and comment freedom below in the comments if you're ready for financial freedom right now. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about becoming financially free at a young age, click the link below this video in the description and I can help you do that. All right, let's talk about how much you need for a down payment on a rental property. And this is different from buying a property that you are going to live in. If you buy a property that you are planning on living in for at least a year, then you can have a down payment at about 5%, even 3%, depending on your lender. But that's when you're going to live in the property. So if you are strictly buying a rental property, a rental investment, you're going to need 20% as a down payment. And the reason they do this is because you can't have mortgage insurance on a rental. And mortgage insurance is just kind of like a guarantee for your lender, for the bank. If you are to default on your loan, then they kind of have that insurance, that mortgage insurance, that you're paying along the way. So when you have a rental property, they aren't going to allow that because it's not a property that you're living in. So they're going to need 20% down, at least. You can have more down if you want to, but you'll need at least 20% for a rental property. So if your property costs $100,000, then you're going to need $20,000 as your down payment, because that would be 20% of $100,000. And if you are considering buying a rental property and you're single like I am, you could consider actually moving into the property. And if you live there for at least a year, then you can consider that your primary residence, and then rent it out after a year has passed. And I get that that's not for everyone. Not everyone wants to move in a year, but you get a better interest rate on your own property, and you can put less down if it's your own property. That's what I did with one of my properties. I ended up moving into it so I could put less down and get a better interest rate. So hopefully this video helps you guys. And if you have more questions, please comment below and tell me what your questions are about investing in real estate or in the stock market or money management even. I would love to know your questions and I can do a video about them. And that's what this video was. It was a question that someone had, so I wanted to answer it. And if you guys are really serious about becoming financially free at a young age, make sure and click the link below this video in the description and I can help you do that. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.